Hello everyone, I hope you're all having an amazing day today. My name is Emma and welcome back to my YouTube channel. You all know the drill, my dogs are in here, so if you can hear them then yeah, they're very loud. But anyway, today I'm going to be recreating a Plouise makeup look and following their TikTok tutorial. Tadley! Why are you barking? Anyway, I'm going to be following a Plouise TikTok tutorial and trying to recreate this look right here. I'll put it on the screen so you guys can see. So if you want to see how I create this look and how it is following their TikTok tutorial, then please continue watching. Okay, so I've turned the camera around so you guys can properly see my eyes. And if you see me looking to the side, I've got a mirror behind my phone so I can see what you guys are seeing. So anyway, I'm just doing my eyebrows with the Unicorn Cosmetics Bare Brows. And now this is the Extreme or Super Lift and Hold. So it has the black packaging, sorry. And you can use my code UCEmma4 for money off as well. So I've just used that brow balm to like do the soap brows look, and now I'm going to go in with the Beauty Bay eyebrow pencil and just fill in some sparse areas. Now I'm not sure if Plouise did like a brow bit, but I don't have any like Plouise brow products that I would use, so I just thought I'd do my normal brow routine and then we'll get onto the tutorial. Okay, so the brows are done and I have just prepped my eyelids with the Plouise base in the shade Rumour 01. Yeah, and I'm going to be using 3 different palettes. Now, I might go into another one if I feel I need a specific shade, but I've got the Plouise Worldy palette, the Beauty Bay Wilderness, and the Beauty Bay Origin, which I believe it's Origin, which is like the brown palette. So I'm going to go into the different ones of those. I probably won't say what shade I'm using all the time, but if you want to know what shade I'm using at whatever point, just leave me a comment or send me a message on Instagram. Yeah, and I'm also doing like a little TikTok tutorial of this look as well, so if the angle changes, that is why. It's going to be quite hard to do both at the same time, a YouTube video and TikTok, but we're going to try it. Anyway, now on to the first video from TikTok. Now it is basically just brows and then starting to put like a dark khaki shade into the beginning of the crease. So that's what I'm going to do first. Okay, so I've started to blend out that khaki shade first, and now I am going to try and put the tutorial on the screen so you guys can see how I follow, but I'll probably won't be able to have any sound on it due to copyright because there is a song in the background. Okay, so I'm just editing this video now, but I couldn't put the videos on top, so if you want to watch Plouise's tutorial, then please just see it on their TikTok. But if you do want to watch it, it's literally just on Plouise's TikTok channel. So yeah, now that we've done the khaki, they kind of use a like brown mustardy shade to blend it out kind of up until the arch in their eyebrow and kind of like here as well. So that's what I'm going to do now. Okay, so now that shadow is all blended out, we've got to, as Plouise says, remove to improve. So I've got to cut this crease. Again, I'm not going to film it because I need to concentrate, but I'll be back when I have cut the crease. Okay, so now that I've cut the crease, they go in with a gold pigment, and it's actually from Peaches and Cream called Most Wanted, but I do not have that pigment, so I'm going to use Peaches and Cream Gatsby, Unicorn Cosmetics Paparazzi, and Sample Beauty Clo pigment, and now they're all like gold pigments. And then she also goes in with a glitter after as well, but I'm hoping that these will be glittery enough. I think I'm going to do the pigments first and then go into the sample one, because that's going to be a lot more glittery. And then just follow the shape of that cut crease with the glitter. So I'll probably do a little time lapse for you guys. I'm not sure what comes next, but I'll just do the glitter first. Okay, I've also just found these liquid eyeshadows that are like gold shades, so I think I might just do a mixture of all of this and we'll see what it turns out like. So I've got the Relove by Revolution Eye Light metallic eyeshadow in the shade Light Up, and then I've got the Beauty Bay liquid eyeshadows in the shade, I can't read that, Precious Topaz. But I can't actually read the shade of this one. Like, my eyes are... I'll put it on the screen if I can find out what they are, because I did get them in like a little trio. So hopefully the packaging should say, but I actually cannot read this sticker. But yeah, got these 3 liquid eyeshadows and those 3 pigments. So we're going to create that gold kind of liner. Okay, so the gold is on, and now I've just got to cut the crease again. And then after we've cut the crease, we're starting to go into like a new shape to kind of like wing out the eyeshadow. But I will talk you through that once we have cut the crease and everything. Okay, so now we have cut that crease. Also, the lighting looks really bad. I don't know why. I do apologise. But anyway, yeah, cut that crease, and now I go back in with some Plouise base, and we're going to be focusing on kind of this outside corner, and then she blends a dark blue. It kind of looks, I think it is a black, but it's coming off a little bit blue in the video, and then dark brown up to like a light brown shade, and then I believe she goes in with some paint. Yeah, but first I'm just going to do like the brown black shadow up here, and I'll probably do a time lapse as well, and then I'll stop when we get to like the paint bit. Okay, so now that we've done this little blend here, that's when she goes in with the black paint. Now, I don't have the black paint. I believe she does go into the white next, which I do have, but I don't have the black one. So I think I've got the black base. So I think I'm going to go into this instead, and then I'll just have to set it, because you don't have to set the paints. But I'm going to go in with the black base instead. And she kind of starts to do another like crease, another cut crease kind of here, following the normal shape of like a cut crease. So going in here and then up, and then following that kind of line there, and then she'll like clean it up and everything. So again, I'm going to do a time lapse of me doing that, and I'll be back once we've done that crease and we start on with the next one. There's so many cut creases in this look. Okay, so that black kind of crease is done, and now I'm going in with the white paint. Now, she used the shade 0.5, which I know they kind of do these in like the blank canvas kind of ones, and 0.5 is very close to white, so I'll just go in with the white one. And just carving out all of this. So all of this is going to be covered in white, and then I'll start to buff it out on the edge. Now after that she does go in with the kind of brown paint, but I don't have any like nude paints. The only paints I have is the white one and then just colourful ones. So I'm going to buff this out on the edge and then start going in with some like shadows, create this like smoky wing. Again, I'll do a time lapse for you guys. Yeah. Okay, so now that we've created like that smoked out liner, like shadow, she now go in with an eyeliner. Now hers is from Maybelline, but I think I'm going to take my favourite black water activated liner at the moment, which is the Glisten Cosmetics Cola liner, and I'm taking a Plouise what is it, 125 brush. Now it's this angled really thin liner brush, and I'm just going to stamp on the eyeliner. Now they kind of do like a straight line and then a little flick and then a little like line in the middle as well. So I'll show you once that's done. And I think, to be fair, I don't think there's much left. I think she puts on some white liner afterwards, some gems, and then lashes, and then I'll go onto my face. But yeah, gonna do this on a time lapse and then we'll go on to the white eyeliner. Okay, so I did the white liner as well, and I used the Suva Space Panda liner to do the white. And I've also noticed that the white paint has started to like dry weirdly. I know that my eyelids are quite dry anyway, but I'm gonna try and go in with like some base and eyeshadow and try to make it not so creasy. But that is pretty much the eyes done. Obviously I need to do lashes and everything, but I think she's also put like some gems like in here and up there, so I'm going to do that as well. And then I'm going to zoom out and quickly do my face and then put lashes on and we're done. I've added the gems and also some eyeshadow underneath, so I'm going to do all of my base makeup. Plouise does do a tutorial of like the face and everything, but I don't have many of the products, so I'm just going to do my normal base routine. Probably going to do it off camera. I'll come back to show you like the lips and the lashes. But if there is anything you want to know that I used on my face, just leave me a comment or message me on Instagram and I'll be sure to let you know. But yeah, I'm going to do my face and then I'll come back to show you how I do my lips, lashes, and show you the finished product. Okay, so I have done my face makeup. I've gone for quite like dramatic highlight and everything. And also it looks completely different when I have my like panel lights on, because I just have the ring light on at the moment. I'll show you with the panel lights at the end. But I'm doing my lips now, so I'm using Plouise Standards lip liner first, which is the darkest colour. And now I'm filling the centre in with the Doll Beauty Boy Bye lip liner, sorry. And I'm going to put some of this lip base on, which is the Plouise semi-nude lip base. Now I'm going to use a brush because I don't want it to be way too pigmented, so I'm just going to like lightly pack it on in the middle. go. I absolutely love these lip bases. I have another nude one, which is more like a pinky nude, and then I have the orange one. My mum's shouting the dogs. But I love it. And now for lashes, I'm going to use a pair of the Eldora lashes. Now the other day I went to London to a dance show that's called Move It, and they had an Eldora lashes stand, so I had to pick some up. I'm not sure what style I want to go for just yet. I think I'm gonna go, well, it's between these, either 107 or, oh, that's M107 or H160. I'm not sure yet, but I think I'll probably do the more fuller ones. So I'm going to apply them and then I'll be back to show you the final look. I'll sort my hair and everything out and I'll be back. Okay, so here we have the final look. So everything is done. I've popped on some Eldora false lashes, as I showed you before. They are the M107 lashes. And yeah, this is the final look. I still haven't sorted the lighting out for videos and that, so it does look a little odd right now, but yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you recreate this look, please tag me and everything. Make sure you tag Plouise as well, because they are the original creators, and make sure you follow my Instagram and TikTok. Well, all of my social medias are EmmaFordXO. On TikTok I'm posting a lot more regularly, and a lot of like transition videos and tutorials and stuff like that. And then obviously on Instagram I post every single day, new looks every 3 days, again with lots of reels and stories and everything like that. And if you have any video suggestions or any looks that you want me to recreate, please let me know. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video.